Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com and this is Dave the Dragon here, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take you through this issue of the ImagineFX magazine, which is issue number 27, February 2008. So let's go and have a look at this one. So last week, hello! So last week we looked at this one, which was the issue number 26, and I thought that the back cover was, for me, it was more exciting for me than the front cover, but I still loved the front cover. But what we had was, look at this one here, look, this issue number 27 for February. It's a much darker cover. Now I'm wondering, is the front cover the same as the back cover? Ooh, I think it's a wraparound cover then. Well, I don't know, is it a wraparound cover? It's got like, look, that's the same, I wonder whether that goes over there actually. So that's probably over there. So yeah, this is quite a cool cover actually. Obviously this monster thing here is creeping around the corner and she's trying to protect the child. So look at that for a cover. What I like is the way the lighting is lighting up the child as if the child is sort of like precious. And look, the monster's hand there, look. So he is about to come round the corner. Oh, do you know what? I almost want to cut this in half and put that over there so I can see what it looks like. Hopefully it'll be inside. But that's definitely my favouriteest cover so far from the 2008 issues. So put that one over there. So what I do on these is I just go through them for the first time and see what I think. But look, the corner's got a bit of battle damage on it. Yeah. But Dave the Dragon's going to let us in. I've already seen something beautiful here. Oh, look. Oh, this here is the subscribers cover, and this is the regular cover that you got from the news agents or something. And what they do in 2023, what they do is the subscribers get the same cover but without the text on it. But in the old days, so this is like 15 years ago now, 2008, what they used to do was you got a separate cover for the subscribers. This almost makes me want to go and find the regular cover now, because I love that. I feel like if that, do you know what? This one here is more epic, but this one's more for me. This one is more like in sync with me. I'm gonna have to find that I'm gonna have to try and find that. Because I was gonna say, if that was the cover, if I had that cover, I think that would be my favourite of the year. That is beautiful. Here he is, look. Little editor Rob. This was Rob version 1. We now have Rob version 2 in 2023. So this is all the stuff that's inside of it. And we've got some little chibi characters by the looks of it. Michael Chang, look. Also the DVDs in here. Oh, we're going to get a workshop on that one. So hopefully we will see the image in full. Hey look. That guy reminds me a bit of the blokes from Killzone. Comic book. Oh, cool. This is the FX Pose section. Loving this. Do you know what I like about this one? I like the fact she's got cuts on her leg. Because that's like telling a story. Oh, I love these two. This is the artist Takaya Ladicana. Ha! What a cool name. Hopefully you can see that. So this was like 15 years ago when they used to put DeviantArt URLs in there. Oh, I love this one. Ginny Liang. People have some cool names. I like the style of that. Oh, this is a beautiful FX Pose section. This is a bit like something out of Final Fantasy. Cool as well, look. We got a sexy with humour. That's like something out of a Dynamite comic. That's what I'm thinking. Hey, is that Harley Quinn? Yeah, it is, Harley Quinn. Da, da, da. Hey, Poison Ivy. Oh, cool. Look at that, look. We've got Poison Ivy here, look. And we've got Harley Quinn. I like the Poison Ivy better. Two of my favouriteest characters. Look. Little rabbit things. Fantasy sells, who's buying? That's the bloke from Spider-Man, isn't it? Rock rocks. God, look at that, look. Stephen King, The Dark Tower. They actually made a graphic novel about that. Wait comes Antique. That's the one I've got. Yay, 21UX. That's the one I've got. So look, that had only just come out. £2,000 it was. $2,000. That's crazy, that is. Image of the month from the forums. See, I used to like this, that they had like the community inside the issue. They should bring that back, I think. I wonder if the forum's still going. I think they should try and recreate the community. Oh, I'm loving this one. Patrick Riley's Cell-Shaded Woman on a Dragon. I'm loving that. We've got a little bum there, look. Dave Dragon likes his bum. I love that cover. Artist Q&A. See that one there, huh? Beautiful pose and outfit and things, but the face is not quite right. Yeah, how can I make my characters look more like more manga-like? Practice. Practice and study the manga masters. Here's a little chibis here. Oh, cool. I love this one, and I love this one. Oh yeah, this is a manga special or something, isn't it? Gonzo. Is this the artist? No, there's an artist called Gonzo, isn't there? Did the Street Fighter, did one of the covers for Street Fighter, the comic. ImagineFX legend Dave Gibbons. Judge Dredd. Obviously a comic book artist. How they created the cover for Albion. Never heard of it. Issue number 1 of it. Art class. We've got a little. To me, she looks a little bit like a demon. I feel like she's going to be a demon or something. A demon disguised as a little child. That's what I'm thinking. Hey look, top 10 beginner comic tips. That would be quite interesting. That's one of the covers, that is. Actions speak louder. Dun dun dun! The Art of Anime, B-Train. Hey look, we're going to have studio. Oh, they've done this. I like it when they do this. What they've done is they've like sprinkled in throughout the whole issue studio profiles of anime and manga. So we had that Gonzo one, we've got B-Train. Coming up we've got Studio Ghibli. Hey, they did that game, Ni no Kuni. 20 years, 1 and 1. Huh, That's an advert, look, see what I'm saying? Look, they've got 5 pages for an advert. For me, that's not acceptable. Fortunately, they don't do that anymore. FX Pose Pro. Oh yeah, look at that, look. Look at that. That's amazing. Reminds me of that scene from Terminator 2 where everyone turned to like ash. So next week we're going to be looking at this one, which is Best Digital and Traditional Artists. And it's a Frank Frazetta 80th birthday special. That'd be quite cool. Going into the workshops. Oh, I want to see that one. That was in last week's issue, they had an advert. See, that would have been a beautiful cover as well. Create a story through a cover. I love that. That is so cool, that one. Michael Chang, Ting Yu. Michael Chang, Ting Yu. Oh, we've got the sketch as well. Cool. This is on DVD as well, so on the DVD you might actually get, because what they sometimes do is you get like the Photoshop file with all the layers, and you can open those in Affinity Photo as well, with all the layers intact and everything. Look at this. This is cool. That was last week's issue, look. What have we got here? Classic image, Downtown. That's quite nice. It's a bit like a sculpture. I like this one. I like a little outfit. Bit like a tarty, a tarty fairy or something. Painting realistic leather. Ali Fell. I like the sketch as well. I think I prefer the sketch here. Because in the sketch, she's a bit more, sort of, there's a bit more attitude in her in the sketch. Look at her face, look, in the sketch. Yeah, she had a bit more like attitude. And I think that attitude fits in more with her outfit as well. Sexy little outfit though. Yay, look, here we go. That is one of the best images I've ever seen, that is. Marek, Okon. This is on the DVD as well, look. Hopefully you can see that, the name of the artist there. It's absolutely beautiful. Yay, Studio Ghibli. Spirited Away. I've seen most of these. Howl's Moving Castle. Studio Ghibli. Is there any more of these? I think that might be the last one. The Science of Painting Space. Nice colours. I like the way they put the colours into the article as well. Wouldn't it be amazing? Would you go on a one-way trip into the depths of space? Would you do that? Get into like a capsule, be sent out into space, and you're going to go out into space and see beautiful things like this, but you're never going to return home. So you're basically going to die in space, but you'll get to see all these beautiful sights. Would you do that? I think I would. Quick Martian Concepts. Seen him before. I think he was in one of the books. One of the ImagineFX books. Hey, look. So the DVD hasn't even been taken out of the thing. Looks really beautiful there. Oh, see, I'm not going to want to open that. But I want to have a look at some of the things on the DVD. The towel of thumbnailing. Oh, this is a cool one. This is an article all about thumbnailing. Look, Francis Tsai explains how to use thumbnails as a creative pathway between the ideas in your head and what you produce on paper or on screen. Oh, this is brilliant. This one here would be perfect for a podcast, for a nickel article. Yeah, that'd be perfect, that would. And then we've got the review section. Hey, Manga Matrix. I've almost bought that book a couple of times. You can get that on eBay for about £3 or £4. And I'm going to have to buy that, I think. Because I keep seeing it, and there's another one as well. I think it's called More Manga Matrix or something. It got 3.5 stars out of 3.5 out of 5 it got. Hey look, Incredible Comics. That's cool as well. Witchblade. Battlestar Galactica, Razor. Can I remember the names? Starbuck. Is it Adama? No, Apollo. I can't remember his name. I used to love that, Battlestar Galactica. I watched it all the way through from start to finish. It was brilliant. I like the ending as well. Some people don't like the ending. Comic artist Fraser Irving reveals his love for the art of David Lloyd. Plop. That was a brilliant one, that was. I really enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed it. My favourite things in here is probably this one. Actually, my favourite thing is that thumbnailing, that little thumbnailing, what's it called? Article thing. And I also like the fact that we got to see that image. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 27 of the ImagineFX magazine for February 2008. And next week we've got this one, which I think is going to be a Frank Frazetta special or something, celebrating his 80th birthday. I've had to put that on there because there's a little bit of naughtiness on there. But that'll be next week. So I hope you come back for that, and I hope you enjoyed this. And I shall see you later for another one.